Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febrioza Bagasdiarga Putra. Today I will present about the importance of education-based manifest function theory in Freedom Writer movie. Before that, the content of this PowerPoint is introduction, Freedom Writer movie, research method, result of research, and last conclusion. The first is introduction. Education is a learning experience where an individual learns about various aspects of life, understand the different perspectives, and tries to apply it in daily life. Education is important to give the children, to adults, and to society. Education gives people knowledge of the world around them and change it into something better. It develops in people a perspective of looking at life, help them build opinion and have point of view in thing in life. Referring to this, the writer undertook a study of importance of education based manifest function theory in Freedom Writer movie. Next, Freedom Writer movie. Freedom Writer movie is a 2007 American drama film written and directed by Richard LaGravenese and starring Hilary Swank, Scott Glenn, Imelda Staunton, Patrick Dempsey, and Mario. The Freedom Writer film tells about racism, juvenile delinquent, gang member among the students. The racism problem appears when the students segregate themselves into racial groups in the classroom. Fight break out, and eventually most of students stop turning up to class. And the research method. First, in this study, the research using a qualitative research. And the next, the author divide data source into two types data, namely primary data and secondary data source. Next, the object of this research is the film entitled Freedom Writer, directed by Richard LaGravenese and starring Hilary Swank, Scott Glenn, Imelda Staunton, Patrick Dempsey, and Mario. And the data collection technique is in the form of digital library research. Data from primary and secondary data sources are collected into one and by watching film are then collected related into the topic. The author uses the sociological perspective and applies it directly using descriptive analysis. And the result of research. Based on structural analysis, the director LaGravenese wants to convey a moral message about the knowledge about the truth, and higher moral value, and do the right thing. Lastly, treat others with kindness and respect. One of the most encouraging messages was the fact that the student gained knowledge about the truth and higher moral value and then applied what they learned to their own life and the people around them. And the end goal is very simple. Erlin only wants to provide proper education to her students because the students deserve what they should get. Even experienced teachers are reluctant to their teacher to teach them. And the last about conclusion. First, from the film, there are many lessons that we can learn, especially from teachers wherever they are. The teacher job is not only to transfer the knowledge they have, but must be able to make students able to apply their knowledge so that students become useful people for their surrounding. And the second, in manifest function, views, education is one of the most important parts of human being life. We spend a certain amount of our time at school, college, and universities. This time roughly equal one of four of people's average expectancy. Education plays a significant role in shaping children's life, and I think that's enough. And I hope you feel good if I presented it. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.